And welcome back to our rooftop garden development. This is a very exciting day for us. It might not seem very exciting. But having watched the delivery of our water tank, we now need to fill it on a regular basis. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you can keep up with all of the shenanigans as they happen. So we have invested in a 50-meter hose pipe, which now leads from the tank all the way out to the bathroom. We have to untangle it to make sure that we don't have any kinks in it that prohibit or cause any water spillages across schools. So being very, very careful with that. So putting the water in at the top, we're using a gravity struggle where you have the water going in at the top and then we bring it out at the bottom. It's a two-man job apparently. The Isis there is supporting and giving a helping hand. So then the water comes out the bottom and fills up our watering cans, which we then are currently manually taking out to the garden to water it. Over the next few days you will see how Paul expands this to having connections on the tank, and then we're going to have an automatic watering system put into the garden. And what we're choosing to do is not pay somebody to come in and do that for us. We are choosing to buy those connections and work it out for ourselves because it's all part of the fun and games. Take care, hit subscribe and follow us as we grow organically.